Good day. I'm about to discuss the mixture of non-reacting fluids, which is an application of first-order differential equation. This is the main definition of first-order differential equations. And meron po kaming kasabihan galing kay Nozca and Raja. The mathematics of differential equations are based on formulas, so one could solve the question easily, but in love, you have to develop a formula to solve its mysterious equations. Mixtures. The mixing of two alternate solutions of different concentrations give rise to a first-order differential equation for the amount of salt contained in the mixture. Mixing problem. It involves substances that dissolve in liquids. The liquid is the one that will enter into the tank. Liquids that enter the tank may contain more substances that dissolves in it, or it may contain any dissolving substances at all. The liquid that will leave the tank will surely contain dissolving substances. The rate which the mixture changes is proportional to the rate of which it enters minus the rate of which it exits or goes out. Or simply, dy over dt is equal to rate in minus rate out. This is the basic formula. dx over dt is equal to r sub I c sub I minus r sub o c sub o. And yung c sub o, madalas wala siyang given, so we can solve for it by using x over v. And r sub I is equal to the flow rate at the entrance. C sub I is the concentration at the entrance. R sub O is the flow rate at the exit. And C sub O is the concentration at the exit. We have a sample problem. A tank initially contained 500 liters of pure water, beginning at T is equal to 0. Brine with 2 kg salt per liter entered the tank at a rate of 10 liters per second. The well-stirred mixture lives at the same rate. Determine an expression representing the amount of salt at any time t. Find the amount of salt in the tank in 1 minute. We have a given of volume is equals to 500 liters. C sub I is equals to 2 kg per liter. R sub I is equals to 10 liter per second. And R sub O, parehas na sila nung given ng R sub I kasi same rate lang yung pagpasok at paglabas ng substance. Tapos, ito yung formula kung paano makuha yung V sub O or yung volume. Then, the solutions. We will use dx over dt equals to r sub I, c sub I minus r sub O, c sub O. Then we will simply plot the given. And for c sub O, we will use x over v, which is v is equals to 500. And then simplify. And we will have 20 minus 10x over 500. And then divide 10 over 500, we will get 20 minus x over 50. Then get the LCD, which will result to 1000 minus x over 50. And then we will cross multiply and multiply it by negative 1 para maging positive yung x. And then apply variable separable. After that, we will integrate. Let u is equals to x minus 1000. Then du is equals to dx. Integrate du over u is equals to negative 1 over 50. And lalabas yung constant. And integrate dt. And we will have ln times x minus 1000 is equals to negative t over 50 plus c. And we will have to cancel out ln. So add e. We will have e raised to ln x minus 1000 is equals to e raised to negative t over 50 times e to the power of c. And we will have x minus 1000 is equals to c e raised to negative t over 50. Then we will transpose negative 1000, resulting in x is equals to c e to the power of negative t over 50 plus 1000. And this will be our base formula. Then we will have to solve for c, given of t is equals to 0. Then x is equals to 0 since it is a pure substance. And this is the base formula. Substitute x, we'll have 0 is equals to c e to the power of 0 over 50 plus 1000. And 0 over 50 is 0. Then e to the power of 0, we will have 1. So we will have 0 is equals to c plus 1000. Then transpose 1000, resulting in c is equals to negative 1000. And then substitute it to the base formula. We will have x is equals to 1000 minus 1000 e to the power of negative t over 50. Then if t is equals to 1 minute or 60 seconds, we will just substitute it to the base formula. We will have x is equals to 1000 minus 1000 e to the power of negative 60 over 50. And compute it to the calculator. We will have x is equals to 698.8057881, or if we round off, we will have 698.81. And instead of a pure substance, if it was mixed with 20 kg of salt, we will have x is equals to 20 kilograms and t is equals to 0. We will also use the base formula in the previous problem. So substitute the value of x. We will have 20 is equals to c e to the power of 0 over 50 plus 1000. Then 0 divided by 50 is 0. Then 0 to the power of e to the power of 0 is 1. So we will have 20 is equals to c plus 1000. Then transpose 1000, we will have c is equals to 20 minus 1000. Then c is equals to negative 980. And substitute it to the base formula. We will have x is equals to 1000 minus 980 e to the power of t over 50. And if t is equals to 1 minute or 60 seconds, and we will also use the base formula, and we will have x is equals to 1000 minus 980 e. Then just substitute the value of t. We'll have negative 60 over 50. Then compute again. We will have x is equals to 704.8296723, or if you round off, 704.83. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you and God bless.